So Gus, way back just in time. You see the way it's coming down? I would have been washed away. Noah, get the ark ready. Look at it. When I came into town, it was just sprinkling. Somebody let me do I climbed the Faith Rock Trail to my gold tree and then get back without taking a shower, because I took a shower 2 hours ago. I took a shower 2 hours ago. I don't need another one. All right, we'll see how far this lasts on my way home. We'll see if I drive out of it. I hope it's raining like this at home. We can use it. We can use it. Uh-oh, look right here. There's a break. Oh, that's the trees. Okay, that's the trees. This is Andrew Hunter Road of Faith Rock fame. He's in the mural. Okay, you see what's happening? See what's happening? It's acting like it doesn't know anything about it. Alright, I want to do something. Alright, I've looked back and there's no traffic coming. I need to wash my car off to see if it's still doing it. See? Here's the car wash. See the car wash? You gotta know how this works. This is the car wash. $3.29. Gasoline is $3.29 for regular. Car wash. Car wash. Now when I drove into town, I came through, and when I got to the other side of town, the sprinkler had stopped. But we're doing good now. See all the flags there? They had a celebration on Sunday for the kids. And family picnic. Potluck. Car wash. I'm headed to the lake. I want to see the lake. Get a car wash. I love this. There's the iron mill, fabricators, furniture fabricators, excuse me, I was thinking of the one down at Cedar Falls. Pardon me. By the time I got over here, when I came in, it had petered out. Let's see if it's still going. It's still car wash. But it's a different cloud because you can tell by the drops. Love it. Boy, do we need rain. The forecast said as much as a half an inch, but they probably need half an inch some places. Oh, this is wonderful. Okay, we're going to make a left turn just up the top of the hill here. Petering out. We just crossed Sandy Creek on that little bridge. And you see how it's petering out here. So we run out of the cloud. We want to make a left here and see if it's raining good on the lake, Ramseur Lake. So here we go. Would you like to live right next to a lake? Especially if you're into fishing. Anything? Oh! I know what it is. Today is Monday. Here's how it works. Alright, it's raining like crazy on the lake. Let me stop the wiper for a moment. Oh, that's no good. It's raining like crazy on the lake and it's windy. Okay, my mistake. I'm getting senile. Open on Saturday and Sunday for civilian pleasure on the lake. Got it? So since we all have a 5-day work week, we have to be closed on Monday and Tuesday. Now that's not the way Walmart does it, but that's the way ordinary work weeks go. And just getting a little bit of rain. Oh, wait a minute. Let me turn on the front defroster and run. And there we go. We want to try to clear that windshield up a little bit and see if we can do it. I want to drive safely. Used to be a church there. There's the remnant of the cemetery. Sorry you're so fogged up, folks. Okay. Gotta have our headlights on, yep. Because we got the wipers going. That's the rule, right? Okay, back to NC22. Looking left, I don't see a headlight. I hope everybody has their headlights on. There's a fogged windows. Now you see it's not raining that hard right here, but let's go back and see if the car wash is still working in Franklinville. See, if it's been 9 months since you've had serious rain, getting a rain shower like this is far from being an inconvenience or an irritation. Quite the opposite. It's a good thing that most of the vegetation we have is deep rooted. Somebody pulled in there for some tires. Hardly doing anything now. This will be our last pass to Franklinville. Beautiful, beautiful Franklinville. Downtown Franklinville. I can slow those wipers down, right? Just so we can see that it is still sprinkling a little bit. Like the free car wash has moved on. I don't think that was a half an inch. It would be nice if it were. Oh, did you see the lightning? Were you paying attention? Is there going to be a rainbow? Yeah, the car wash has moved on. We didn't. They took the water, but they said it wasn't enough. Okay. Well, all I can say is I'm sweated up from the 97-degree temperature. It was a little slightly cooler than that climbing the trail in the under the canopy of the trees. And I did make it back to the car before the car wash started. You see how there's nothing on the windshield? And as we cross the beautiful but somewhat shallow deep river, this is Steve AB4L headed home in his freshly washed car, all sweaty, loving it, saying see you in 73. Okay, folks, this is an addendum. I'm going to turn the corner. I'm home. Oh! It's the Gobi Desert. It's the Sahara. It's Death Valley, Utah. Yeah, no car wash here. Steve, that's the way it is. Steve AB4L. Glad he went for his climb to see the car wash. Saying see you at 73.